Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use chocolate mint leaves. First, let's talk about harvesting. Chocolate mint is easily recognized by its deep green leaves and distinctive purple stems. For the most intense flavor and aroma, it's best to harvest your leaves in the early morning. Simply snip the stems just above a leaf node. This encourages the plant to grow bushier. After harvesting, gently rinse the leaves under cool water to ensure they are clean and ready for use. Chocolate mint is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. For a simple treat, steep about 10 to 15 fresh leaves in hot water for a delightful herbal tea. You can also finely chop a small handful of leaves and sprinkle them over fruit salads or incorporate them into your favorite dessert recipes, like a rich chocolate mousse. It makes a beautiful and flavorful garnish for any chocolate-based treat, adding a fresh, aromatic touch. Beyond hot tea, chocolate mint elevates many cold beverages. Muddle about 5 to 7 leaves in the bottom of a glass for a refreshing mojito or a classic mint julep. You can also make a simple syrup by simmering 1 cup of water with 1 cup of sugar and a generous handful of mint leaves for 10 minutes. This syrup is perfect for sweetening iced tea or lemonade, or even drizzling over fresh fruit. To keep your chocolate mint fresh, place the stems in a glass with about 1 inch of water, just like a bouquet of flowers. Loosely cover the leaves with a plastic bag and store it on your kitchen counter or in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, changing the water daily. For longer preservation, finely chop a 1/4 cup of leaves and freeze them in ice cube trays with a little water or olive oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.